Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel TNV Academy. I'm Akanksha Mishra, so let's start with today's session now. Imagine a world where every child grows up without fear, where justice is not a privilege but a promise, where leaders are honest and accountable, where corruption is not a culture but a crime, and where peace is not a fragile hope but a daily experience. This is not fantasy, this is the vision of SDG Goal 16. Peace, justice, and strong institutions. In this journey, we will spend the next few minutes understanding why SDG 16 is the backbone of sustainable development, why peace matters more than we think, why justice must be accessible to all, and why institutions are the invisible pillars holding our nation together. SDG 16 is not just another goal. It is the soul of the Sustainable Development Agenda. Without peace, no economy can grow. Without justice, no society can survive. And without strong institutions, no nation can stand. Now, what SDG 16 really means? SDG 16 stands on three powerful pillars: peace, justice, and strong institutions. Peace is not simply the absence of war. It is the presence of safety, stability, and trust in society. It is when a child can walk to school without fear, when citizens can live without the threat of violence, and when communities solve disputes not with weapons, but with dialogue. Justice, on the other hand, is fairness in action. It means laws protect everyone equally. Crimes are punished appropriately and innocent people are shielded from harm. Justice ensures that democracy is not a word, but a lived reality. Strong institutions are the engines that keep a nation functioning. Police, forces, courts, government bodies, local councils, hospitals, schools, and every formal system responsible for the welfare of people. When these institutions work transparently and effectively, society thrives. When they fail, chaos takes over. SDG 16 ensures these foundational pillars stay strong. Now, why peace, justice, and institutions matter? Peace is essential for development because a nation dealing with conflict loses its schools, hospitals, jobs, and infrastructure. The cost of violence is not just economic, it is emotional, social, and generational. Children who grow up in conflict zones often never recover from trauma. Justice builds trust in society. When people believe that the system treats everyone equally, they follow the law, participate more in governance, and support democratic processes. But when justice is weak or corrupt, people lose faith, leading to protest, crime, and instability. Strong institutions act like the software of a nation. They decide how money is spent, how laws are enforced, how public services are delivered, and how citizens' voices are heard. When institutions are transparent and accountable, development accelerates. But when they are weak, corruption rises. Services fail and public frustration grows. SDG 16 ensures that these systems work for everyone, not just a few. Now we have some stories of conflict, courage, and hope. In many parts of Africa, thousands of children are forced into militias. One young boy once said, "I wanted a pencil, they gave me a gun." SDG 16 fights to ensure no child ever faces such trauma again. In Eastern Europe, a young woman uncovered a major corruption scandal that involved powerful people. She received threats, but her courage eventually strengthened her country's anti-corruption laws. In another part of the world, a historic court judgment stopped illegal mining that was destroying forests and communities. This is justice, protecting nature and people together. In Latin America, A police station transformed itself into a peace-building center, replacing interrogation rooms with mediation rooms. Crime dropped drastically. And in Rwanda, after the heartbreaking genocide, the country rebuilt its institutions from scratch and turned itself into one of Africa's most stable nations. These stories remind us that SDG 16 is not theory, it is life-changing in action. Now let's have a deep understanding of all SDG 16 targets. SDG 16 has several targets that shape its overall mission. The first focuses on reducing violence everywhere. Violence destroys dreams, families, and futures. True peace requires reducing murder rates, domestic violence, and armed conflict. The second target aims to end abuse and trafficking of children. Millions of children face exploitation, online abuse, and forced labor. SDG 16 works to protect them. The third target emphasizes justice for all. Justice must be fair, swift, affordable, and accessible. However, slow courts, high legal fees, corruption, and lack of awareness often prevent people from seeking justice. Another target focuses on combating organized crime and illegal trafficking, whether it is drugs, humans, wildlife, or weapons. These criminal networks destabilize societies and damage development. Reducing corruption and bribery is another major target. Corruption steals money meant for hospitals, schools, and public infrastructure. It transforms opportunities into obstacles. The goal of building transparent and effective institutions ensures government systems serve people efficiently, use digital tools wisely, and provide equal service to all citizens. Inclusive decision-making is also essential. Every citizen, especially youth, women, minorities, and differently abled people, deserves a voice in shaping policies. Another target emphasizes equal global participation, ensuring that developing and developed nations have equal representation in global institutions like the UN. The goal of providing legal identity for all, especially birth registration, is crucial because millions of children have no proof of existence. Without an identity, they cannot go to school, access healthcare, or even vote when they grow up. Protecting fundamental freedoms, speech, religion, peaceful protest, and expression is essential for a healthy democracy. Finally, strengthening national institutions and ensuring laws are not discriminatory ensures equality is not just a promise but a practice. Technology and innovation driving SDG 16. Technology is becoming a powerful tool for strengthening peace and justice. Artificial intelligence help courts analyze case histories, speed up legal research, and identify patterns in crime. Blockchain technology ensures transparency by creating tamper-proof public records, reducing corruption and financial manipulation. Digital identity systems like Aadhaar show how technology can ensure that every person has a verifiable identity. Smart policing through body cameras, cybercrime units, and predictive analytics allows law enforcement to act more responsibly and effectively. E-governance platforms make public services faster and transparent, reducing physical paperwork and human intervention that often lead to corruption. Public dashboards, digital voting systems, and grievance apps help institutions remain accountable and accessible. Now we have a question: how youth, citizens, and businesses can support SDG 16. Youth play a crucial role in building peaceful societies by participating in community dialogues, spreading awareness, using social media responsibly, learning about legal rights, and refusing to normalize corruption or discrimination. Businesses also contribute by adopting ethical practices, ensuring transparent financial systems, creating whistleblower mechanisms, and maintaining fair HR policies. Ordinary citizens can support SDG 16 by voting responsibly, demanding accountability, raising their voices against discrimination, reporting wrongdoing, participating in local governance, and promoting unity in their communities. Real change begins with individual responsibility. Now, I have a final message for you all. Peace begins with you. SDG 16 is not just a development goal, it is the foundation of a civilized world. Without peace, children cannot learn. Without justice, societies collapse. Without strong institutions, progress disintegrates. But peace is not created by governments alone. Justice is not delivered by courts alone. And institutions are not strengthened by laws alone. Peace begins in homes, schools, workplaces, and communities. Justice begins when ordinary people stand up against wrong. And strong institutions begin when citizens demand accountability. If we dream of a safer, fairer, and kinder world, then SDG 16 is not just a target, it is a shared responsibility. And together, we can build a world where peace is real, justice is accessible, and institutions serve everyone with dignity. That is all about today's session, and I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy. Until then, like, share, and subscribe TNV Academy for more such content. Thanks for watching.